Welcome to Twisters. My name is Vinay. We do custom car audio, seat covers, soundproofing, and detailing services. Today we are working on a Creta. We're going to install a Kenwood system, DMX 9720XS. We can actually call it the mother of all systems. I'll tell you why. Wait for a few minutes and I'll show you around. Hi guys, we have completed the installation. Let's have a look at the system. We present you Kenwood DMX 9720XS. This is a 10.1 inch system. Diagonally, I'm talking about the screen, but the whole size of the monitor is more than 12. Again diagonally. Yeah, this is the system. Guys, clarity wise, amazing. Sound quality wise, amazing. So let me tell you about few features in this system. This has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and smartphone mirroring. You also have a quick button, you can directly jump onto your wireless connection. Right now I'm not connecting anything, I'm just showing it to you. This system has the proper high-res audio, both with a USB stick as well as in Bluetooth. Other than that, this system has HDMI and Wi-Fi. So for HDMI, you can connect your rear screen monitors, which are really high quality ones. Even the high quality ones, comes with a HDMI port. So they will easily plug onto this system. And you can also connect your Fire Stick or any other high-end device, you want to show your photos or something, you can still connect it. Secondly, it has inbuilt dashcam interface. So there's a model from Kenwood, that you can directly connect to your car. Like you don't have to plug into your 12 volt system or anything. The system actually has an interface behind the module. So you can directly connect it over there. You don't have to run a lot of wires. It's very simple. It is sold separately from Kenwood as well. Then the screen is also 3-way adjustable. Like, this thing can move up and down, and you can also tilt it. You can give it an angle. This is very easy to install. It is suitable for all the cars which has option for a double-din system, be it a Creta, Duster or anything, whichever car, it has a double-din option, the system goes into it. It's a proper floating system, but for this customer, we've actually fixed it. This system also has 4 HD camera inputs. Like other systems which has only one, this system has 4 inputs, wherein you can connect your front, your rear and your sides, be it the left and the right. And then it has 3 pre-outs of 5 volt, which is really excellent. If you are looking for a proper audio upgrade, this is the system to go. So guys, let's explore the system, see what all options it has. To begin with, on dash we have some options. You can choose between a clock, compass or your camera. If you have the camera connected, you can actually see that there's only one camera connected right now, so it's the rear camera. If you have all the cameras, you can actually see what's going on in the cameras. Like the same blue pointer would be noted on the front and the sides as well, but since we don't have it, it's not showing right now. And then we have we have the clock. You can change it as well, like if you don't like it. We have the compass. The vehicle, it's a real-time compass. It's actually working. So if you're somewhere stuck, or if you want to know where you're going, you can actually use this. And then we have the EQ settings. You can directly set your bass control and everything. It's on the dash all the time, on the home screen. Let's see what's in the menu. So yeah, once again we have wireless mirroring, Bluetooth, iPod, USB, HDMI, AV in. The standby, just the basic standby, yeah. One more important thing, you can also change the skins. Like you can change the wallpaper. You can have that flowing pictures as well. You can change pictures constantly. And let's go. Yeah, the basic radio function is always there, and then the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. This is the Bluetooth setting. Right now I'm not connecting it. Let me connect the Android Auto and show it to you. Unfortunately, I don't have an Apple phone with me right now, so I'm gonna show you the wireless Android Auto. So guys, I've connected my phone with Android Auto wireless, so it's connected to Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna open it for like show you how it works. Yeah. So this is the map from the Android Auto. Let me go to the home screen of the Android Auto. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Again, we have the maps, podcast, phone, everything. So everybody is aware of Android Auto now. So basically, you make calls, read your WhatsApp messages, reply to them, use Google Maps, check out your podcast or read news or something. It's very similar with Apple CarPlay as well. You have very similar features. You can use your Siri, ask Google Assistant to navigate your routes or something. It's pretty much similar. So next we have Apple CarPlay and wireless mirroring as well. Let's check out what tuning options this system has, and I'll also take you to the basic settings as well. So on the settings page we have the general things again. You can it has the Bluetooth connections and AV. You can change the name, change the codes, similar for the Wi-Fi, you can change them and all. On the display options, you can have your clock, be it on or off, your illumination buttons. You can actually change the colors as well of your buttons. It's multicolored. And then wallpaper customization, as I told, you can choose your wallpaper, whatever you want. Even you can download your own images. And you change it, like your personal photos or anything. You can also do that. Yep, that's pretty much it. Then you have some basic user interfacing here to control your steerings and everything. And this is for the camera. As I said, it has different camera options. So once all the cameras are connected, you can actually choose between what settings you want to do. Yeah, it comes with the parking guidelines as well, and there's some basic system information, the software and other things. Let's check out for the audio. Whoa, check this out, guys. Basically you got a proper DSP setup. Like you don't have to invest in another DSP for a decent setup. Yeah, this is more than sufficient. I also forgot to tell you, we have actually installed DLS MB6.24 components in this one, powered by Sony GS4 amplifier, around 75 watts per channel. We have a very good signal strength coming from the head unit as well. It has 3 pre-outs at 5 volt. The sound is also really amazing. I'll try and show it to you over the video at the end. We are looking at crossover settings. You can set your frequency response of your speakers, for the tweeters, for the mid drivers and everything. You can actually set what frequency, what slope, and you can also plus or minus your gains. Like if you want to reduce the amount of volume or reduce the amount of power you want to send it out, you can also do that. It's individual. Again, you can choose for the front or rear, and you can also swap them. You also have it for the subwoofer. And then the EQ, we have presets here. Again, you can choose between the presets or you can create your own. You have 4 options, like you can save it 4 times. There's a separate subwoofer level as well. You can increase or decrease that as well. Then we have the positioning. If you want a speaker to position or focus at some point, you can actually choose between the, it's either the front right or the front left or all, or just the back as well. And there's a fader, just to see what speaker is working, or if you want only one speaker to be working, you can do that as well. Then you have the volume offset, what source and what volume the system should start, or when you choose radio, and what volume should it ideally play. These things and all, you can work it out here. And then you have the sound effects. Since we have an amplifier installed, I'm not messing around. I'm using the basic system output, and I've made few gain settings and the crossover settings on the amp itself. I'm going to work on this very soon. So to begin with, we have the bass boost. You can boost your bass, and then you have the Supreme on. This thing basically boosts your power, and then the loudness again. So it's pretty much the same. You also have the parametric EQ. Yeah, let me show this to you. So you have all these options. Again, you have 4 user memories, be it for the front, rear, what kind of a setup you're doing. Is it a front staging or the complete car? Depending on that, you can actually do that. The different options available. You can actually set the high pass filter. You can adjust it, at what frequency you want it. You can also set the slope, where you want to do it. It's a proper DSP. You don't have to attach a laptop or an iPhone or any other smart device. You can directly do everything in this system. And then we have the audio memory. Let's look into this later. So yeah, that's pretty much about this system. So if you have any queries or anything, you can dial on the number which flashes on the screen. We'll do what best we can do for you.
This is Suman, so I'm a software professional. So when I bought my new car, I did a lot of research on where to get my accessories done and where to upgrade my sound system and all. So then I came across Twisters, and I did a lot of research, which one is good and what are the good stores around Hyderabad and all. So from a lot of testimonials and all, I came to know that Twisters is the best option I have. So when I came here, Vinay and Bunty, they helped me a lot, and so I got my sound system done here. So it was a 4-channel amp with rear and front components, a mono amp and a subwoofer as well. And this is my second major work here at Twisters. So they got my car wrapped in all black, and I was not satisfied with my Android system. So when I asked them, they got a new Kenwood 10-inch advanced system. So it's like a major upgrade from the previous system, and I am spellbound with the sound stage it is delivering. So yeah, I'm very happy. I'll be leaving this shop with I mean with full satisfaction. I mean to say, yeah. Actually, I'll be recommending Twisters to all my friends. I'm coming to the team, so all the technicians and the team members, they do it very carefully. They take care of your car as if it is their own car, and they are very professional, and they will not relax until the work is done to perfection.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.